What are we gonna do today, Puky?
Trucks versus Thomas train.
We're gonna start Percy. What are we gonna do today, Puky?
Trucks versus Thomas train. And whoever wins gets a prize.
Gets a prize? How cool is that, guys? Thank you for coming back and watching us. We're excited to present our Magic Tracks versus Thomas. Alright, let's go get our stuff then. Alright, we got Thomas. Who else do we have?
We got Percy.
Percy.
With his little thingy.
And then we got a Magic Tracks gold car with flaming fire. And a Magic Tracks black car. And they're all powered up, ready to go. So let's go get the track.
Yeah.
Let's go have a race. Okay, we got our Magic Tracks.
They can even do this. Really cool, right?
They can roll up.
And they can move.
They can stretch. They can curve. And then we got
Thomas train. I don't know who's this. Can somebody guess who's this?
who's what?
That guy.
Yeah.
We already got.
Know who that is? Write in the comments below. So I will grab your Thomas tracks, and you will grab your Magic tracks, and let's get going. All right. Whoa.
Here's some signs.
Oh, watch out! Here it comes! Oh my goodness! I just dropped it. Oops. Oh, you got so much, Thomas. Look at all these tracks. That's gonna compete with Magic Tracks, right?
And in the front, here's when you win. So we'll put it.
I'll put that at the finish line. All right.
Finish line.
But we're gonna need more than this.
Magic tracks.
What you got there, Puky?
These magic tracks.
We're gonna add more Magic Tracks.
And this comes with a controller.
It's an RC remote control Magic Track car. How cool is that?
I love this one.
You love this one?
Yeah. And this one is more magic tracks, which is more cars.
3 sets of Magic Tracks and an RC car, plus extra cars. Let's do it, man.
Yeah, we got extra cars. So.
And we got a surprise for whoever wins.
Yep.
All right, check this out, guys. We
So
got
take-
Thomas. We got Magic Tracks. We got Puky. We got our prize. Oh, it's inside this box. I'm gonna hide it. Puky already knows what it is, but he can't tell you guys yet because we gotta see who's gonna win. Thomas and Percy. Oh, or the Magic Tracks.
Let's open these up.
Hey you, what do we have open so far?
The control, and it's really cool.
Let's set up a track, Puky.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we gonna set up first?
Magic tracks.
Okay. Here we got one box open, and here comes the next. Alright, we're gonna start building.
I built a sign right here. I built a sign right here because there's something in the way of the cars.
Okay. So show me how to do this.
So you take a track and then push hard until it connects like that.
Oh, good job, Puky.
So they're ready to go.
They're ready to go, but who's watching? You got extra people.
And Percy.
Thomas and Percy are watching.
This is Transformers.
We got some extra spectators, you guys. So we got some extra spectators. Percy and Thomas.
Stormtroopers and one Minecraft guy.
Oh, okay. Multiple genres. How cool is that? So we're ready to go.
3,
2, 1. tracks are definitely having a lot of fun here traversing the new 3x track. You're gonna crash? Whoa! I don't know. Is it gonna happen the next round?
I don't know.
Nope.
Let's see.
Yeah, he just ate exhaust. He's catching up to him. Yellow car is catching up to the black car. Right behind your butt. I think Thomas is scared. Are you scared, Thomas? Oh no. Yeah, look at that orange car. It's so close. It's gonna bump in the butt. That's right. Oh my god. Bump, 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 bump. Push, boop, push, boop, 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 boop. So do Thomas and Percy on a magic track.
This one is number 1. Thomas playing.
He's number 1?
6 is hers.
Okay.
I don't know if they're like the same, but they're different.
Well, I don't know if they're gonna survive on a magic track, but let's go see and test it out. Whoa, oh my goodness, what did you do? Your foot is crazy. You guys have any guesses if they're gonna survive on a magic track? Or they're just gonna get stuck? My guess is they're gonna get stuck, but what do you guys think? Oh, right away, Percy's on his way. Oh, he got stuck too. Maybe it'd be better if it was like a straight way. Yeah, oh, it's not doing too good. Alright, so already, did Thomas survive a magic track? No, so I guess, well, let's put them on their own track, right? Let's build a track for Thomas.
7.
Yeah, hey, we moved our magic track a little bit out of the way.
Yeah.
No, they don't. But we're gonna start on this wonderful Thomas system of tracks. We're gonna build it next to magic tracks, right?
Yeah. I don't know if we can fit all of them, but we're
Yeah.
gonna put one of.
We can do it. Let's do it.
I don't think so.
Look at what you've done so far. We got.
So it's really big because that is a lot of tracks.
We have a lot of tracks. So where are we gonna start? Where is it gonna start
Right
first?
here.
Alright, so he's gonna go right there. He's gonna go this way. Whoa.
I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Slow is Percy. Does he have juice? Does he have his mighty meal? Does he have his bowl of Wheaties? He needs an energy drink. He's going over the hills. Oh, he can't make it over the hill. Poor Percy. Poor Percy. Alright, well let's do Thomas. Thomas has got more energy. Yep. So, number 1, right? Oh, you fix him. Come on, Thomas. Oh no, he got stuck again. Oh, he got stuck again. Let's help you out, Thomas. Oh no, go the other way, Thomas. Woo! He's barely doing this challenge. And he skipped the loop. Way to go, Thomas. How smart. Here comes Thomas coming up the bridge. Oh, market. We got Lego and Rescue Box 1 team. Good job, Thomas. He gave me a high five. Did you see that? And what are you doing over there?
Controlling him.
You're controlling him. Wow. Alright, let's try magic tracks on Thomas' track.
Oh no, that's not gonna work.
You don't think it's gonna work? I have to agree with you, but let's try anyways. Oh no, and look at what happened to Thomas. He just fell over. Percy's laughing at him.
No, I'm not.
They're friends. Alright, let's try a magic track car. This is magic track. We're trying to go on Thomas' track. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. No, they're not gonna work. They prefer to drive everywhere else. Inside. Wow. That's not nice, Percy. Alright, well, let's put magic track on. Magic track car on magic track horse. Whoa! He really wanted to go that way. Look at them go.
The RC car.
We have a new contender. We have a remote control RC magic track car. And he's ready for action. So Thomas and Percy and the two other magic track cars are now watching. Whoa, he went backwards. Holy moly! Whoa! Look at that guy. Look at that smile. Oh my goodness. Puky, you having fun? Puky, you having fun? I think we have a clear-cut winner, you guys. Who won this race challenge?
The RC car.
RC car, but what is RC car?
It has a remote controller and it can go like
It's a magic track car. That's what I was getting at. Magic tracks. 1, Thomas, 0. Start first. Or Percy. Push down. What's going on over there? Start him up again. Start him somewhere else. find out what the surprise was? Alright, go get it. It's under that white box. Oh my goodness, what did you get? Let me see. Whoa, you guys, it's driven. 57 pieces of pocket-sized cars. Open it up, driven. The surprise. We got a bunch of cool.
I like this one
What you
because
got?
it has little wheels and it's so cute.
Cement truck. Alright, we built the layout C-track. So cool. We had fun doing this video, and thanks everybody for coming back to us and watching. You have anything to say, Puky?
Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Hi buddy. Let's be friends. Thanks for watching. If you want more Puky fun, please watch this video. Thank you and bye.